Hello again. Let's continue working. This is the English activity number 2 and we're gonna check all together the answers for the previous exercise. Okay, so here are the correct answer for the activity number 1, exercise number 2. Those are the warfare words that you need to put in the correct column. So let's check. The first, attack, that is a verb. Bottle is a verb. Defend is a verb. Invade, rebel, and surrounder. Now in the second column for the nouns talking about people, we have alive, civilian, refugee, terrorist, rebel. And for the third column, talking about nouns but that are things and events, we have bomb, missile, siege, terrorist, war, bottle, and surrounder. Okay guys, now let's go continue working in a vocabulary and grammar activity. Read the instructions, match the words and phrases with similar meanings. Okay, so here you have the concepts and in the other side you're going to have the meanings. You're going to match. I'm going to help you with the first one. An ally is a partner during wartime. Un aliado es un compañero durante tiempo de guerra. Okay, continue with the order. Refugee, a bomb, to invade, a rebel, and a siege. You can edit the document that I gone to upload in Word document and you attach them. Then when you finish with this activity, go with the next exercise. Exercise number 2. Match the words and phrases with opposite meanings, con significados diferentes, opuestos, con significados opuestos. The first one, to attack, what is the opposite of attack in this case? To defend. Okay, a civilian, remember that is someone that is not related with the army, that is not related with that kind of forces. So if you are not a civilian, that means that you are matched with the correct one. Okay, so when you finish, go with the next exercise, that is look and complete the captions with the correct words. Soldiers in the first word, war. Number 2, special forces arresting a what? Do you know what it stands for? Terrorist. Number 3, arriving at a camp. Okay, what is the missing word? Check. They are refugees. Okay, refugees arriving at a camp. Refugiados llegando a un campo. Number 4, a soldier to enemy forces. The word that complete is surrounder. Number 5, a city under siege. And the last one, a reconstruction of a medieval bottle. Okay, so you can edit or copy the exercise in your notebook. Thank you for watching and have a great day.